Hello and welcome. If you are watching this video, that means that you are probably going to be judging for us at a Tri-County Forensics League tournament, or you may be watching from another league, just seeing how to judge online. So thank you so much. First off, we can't have tournaments without judges, so thank you for being there for our students and making sure that they can judge. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to judge on Tabroom.com, which is the website that many tournaments use, and we will be using for the Tri-County Forensics League. So first you have to make sure you have an account. So you would, if you don't already have an account, you would sign up, you would create your account, and then with the help of your coach, you would make sure that they have the correct email address related to your account in order to judge. You can't judge without a Tabroom account, so you want to make sure you're doing that. So let's just say I do have a Tabroom account, so I log in the day of the tournament, and I go to see, the way you can get to that screen is I would click on my name up here, so I might click on this and be like, oh, and you can see here, judge, that's me. And this shows you the event that you're judging. So this is a fake round I created for the purposes of demonstrating how this works. So I look at the PO round, the presiding officer, and then this would have the room if we were in person. Virtually, it might have a link to the room. And then it shows you when it starts, and it shows you your entries. So for this weekend, we are doing Congress. So let's just say I click on my ballot. And so you see here, you can look on the speeches. And so let's just say I am opening up, and let's just say I want to give some feedback to Jenny Sun from North Hollywood. So maybe I write the topic. So maybe it's the first bill that has to do with Supreme Court justices, right? And maybe I write feedback here. So, great job. You used amazing research. Whatever you want to say here to your to the competitors to give them feedback, they will see this feedback after the tournament. The judges can access it. So you can say, and then here for your organization, you could say, let's just say Jenny was for the bill, and great job, amazing. You used amazing research. Can speak a little louder. Whatever comments you want to do, we always want to try to be supportive for our students. So here is you can give individual comments to individual speeches. So I could say that. And the good thing about Tabroom is, let's just say errors were found. That's because I didn't finish writing comments. But because I didn't give speaker points. Don't worry. For Congress, this is going to be 1 out of 6. But for speech or debate, this would be out of the correct, this would have placed the correct points. But don't worry too much about that. So let's just say, okay, I've written my comments. The good thing about being on Tabroom is you can go back and rewrite the comments and edit them later. So let's just say a lot of things are happening and you write down the notes and you want to write them nicer later, right? So I can put my notes, I'll just put great job as an example. Woo! And let's just say that Jenny was perfect. So I'm going to save, and you can see and the good thing is, let's just say they give another speech, then you can do it. And let's just say it's on a different bill. Let's just say it's on the education reform bill, right? And this time Jenny's against it. And let's just say she didn't do so hot. And just like, of course she'd write a better comment than that. Could have used more research. Woo! So, and like I said, I forgot to put the points. I'm the worst. All right, so let's just say, that could have been better with solid. So, I'll give you 27 out of 30. And then what's nice is you can go back and edit these comments later. So if you just want to jot down some notes and write it better, this is something that you can do throughout the day, throughout the duration of the tournament. Nice thing about Tabroom is you see over here they have timers. So for Congress, you wouldn't really have to worry because you have a presiding officer, but you can see if you wanted to time the speech and show that it's going. And then you see here, so it goes to rankings, and you can see it's telling me I don't have any rankings. So let's just say, and here I can see their speech points. Again, this is, and then I could give my rankings. So let's just say Jenny was amazing, so she gets my 1. And then Jonathan was good. I'm just making these up. So if any of you students are seeing this, this has no bearing. So I submit my ballot. So when I go to submit my ballot, it's going to say, is this correct? And so you want to double check and be like, yes, this is the order I want it. And then you can click yes and confirm it. And then after that, you can see these are your rankings. Obviously, other people would have speeches. This is just for demonstration purposes. So you can see how it would show there. And then let's just say later, like I wanted to go back and edit my feedback. I could do that again. So I could go and give comments and save that. So hopefully that gives you a little demonstration of how Tabroom works if you were to judge online. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know and we will try our best to help you. Thank you again so much for judging. We couldn't do this without you, so have a great day.